कातिल नहीं, कलाकार हूं मैं।
मान गए प्रोफेसर साहब, प्लान तो जबरदस्त है।
जब परीक्षा में अव्वल आना हो तो तैयारी भी अव्वल होनी चाहिए।
नाम?
Have you been reading about this con couple called Bunty and Bubbly and all the promotions they've been doing on the Bollywood front? Well, we have another con couple and they are coming up with this new series on MX Player which is called Matsya Kand. Here I am with
Zoya Afroz.
And I'm Ravi Dubey.
So they are with us in the Tribune office and they're going to tell us about the series and a lot more. It's going to be candid, it's going to be fun.
Absolutely.
So who do we start with? I'm
Can we start
guessing...
with the lady?
Okay, let's start with the lady. So Zoya, first tell me, how's it to be here in Chandigarh?
Oh, it's amazing. I love Chandigarh. I love the city. It's been really, really, nice to be here because of the people. They're so, warm and so welcoming. तो बहुत ही अच्छा लगता है जब भी चंडीगढ़ आती हूँ. अमेजिंग खाना खाने मिलता है, इतने अच्छे लोगों से मिलने के लिए एक मौका मिलता है. सो वो बहुत अच्छा लगता है. एंड आज तो बहुत ही खास है क्योंकि मैं अपनी सीरीज़ प्रमोट करने आई हूँ जो है मत्स्या कांड. एंड सो दिस विजिट इज़ इवन मोर स्पेशल.
So while you're on this visit, tell me, have you been to Tribune before or is it your first time?
I guess I have been here once before, yes.
Okay. So how does it
Yes.
feel to revisit this office?
It's really nice and I'm looking forward to this interview. So,
So now tell us about your role in the series. You're playing the lead role?
yes, so my character is called Urvashi and Urvashi का जो मतलब होता है, आई थिंक ये बहुत अच्छे से कहते हैं उर को वश में कर लेने के लिए और समथिंग लाइक दैट. सो उर्वशी का जो कैरेक्टर है वो एक मैजिशियन है बट साथ ही साथ एक कॉन आर्टिस्ट भी है. उसका जो जादू है वो हाथों में तो चल ही रहा है, साथ साथ उसके पीछे भी चल रहा है. सो ये देखने में आपको बहुत मज़ा आएगा और किस तरह वो जादू करके जो आगे से आपको डिस्ट्रैक्ट करके पीछे कुछ और जादू एक्चुअल में चल रहा होगा. सो वो देखने मिलेगा. और प्लस मत्स्य और उर्वशी और भी बाकी जो किरदार हैं हमारे सीरीज़ में वो मिलकर कैसे इस कांड को पूरा करते हैं वो आपको देखने मिलेगा.
So Ravi, I'm guessing you are Matsya and you will be telling us what is Urvashi really, because the way she says, the way you explain, nobody else does. Please tell us.
No, it's so basically to every magic trick there is an abracadabra, the distraction.
Right.
So उर्वशी का जो लिटरल मतलब है वो है उर यानी कि मन को वश में कर लेने वाली, जो अपने सामने वाले के मन को वश में कर ले. So she is the character is as Zoya is extremely beautiful. She's hypnotic and she can really kind of capture the imagination of everyone while Matsya can kind of execute
wow.
the con. So it's a team of con people. My character is of a con man as well, one that's a master of disguise and can, so he believes that rather than concealing one's identity or hiding behind walls or behind facades, he believes in hiding in plain sight. And that you can do when you kind of have multiple identities at your disposal, and you can also transform yourself into those multiple identities. So when you see the trailer, if you have, I don't know, but whenever you do get the opportunity, go take a look at it and you would know what the show is about.
So I think there are 11 episodes in the show. So are we going to see a new identity of you in every episode?
So yes, he, as I said, Behrupiya hai. He's a master of disguises. So whenever there is a crisis would be an opportunity rather to kind of slip into another disguise and find his way along with the team out of it.
So while we're talking about the team, tell us about the other characters in the story and who all are there.
So Ravi Kishan ji is there. He's done a terrific job. I mean, it's the whole premise is that of a Catch Me If You Can, wherein the chase is going on and Matsya is trying to evade Tej Rao's who's in hot pursuit, and
That would be
that's
Ravi
Ravi
Kishan
Kishan ji.
Okay.
Then there is Piyush Mishra ji, who's basically playing a character called Anand, and he's the mentor to Matsya. Matsya learns all his skill set from this mentor, so to say, and my own individual equation also with these two people is such that I have taken and seized every opportunity to learn from the both of them. So yeah, and then there is this beautiful lady Urvashi, Zoya, and
the one who captures everybody's imagination.
The hypnotic beauty.
Yeah, oh nice. Yeah, we can see that. So 11 episodes, where all of you shot? I read there's Jaipur and
Jaipur.
Udaipur, and where else?
There's Jaipur, there's Hyderabad,
Hyderabad.
and there is Mumbai. A longish schedule in all these places, but Jaipur was the longest.
Jaipur was the longest. So how long did it take for the entire series to come together?
To come together, it took very, very long because I think I was the last to get logged in, almost. I think second last. And after I joined, it still took another 4-5 months for us to get started. And we did some 2.5 months of workshops and training and all of that, which was so much fun because you get to work on the character, you get to work on the story, and that's the best part about it, rather than just jumping into something.
Is there a link between the character and you? Is there somewhere that you identify yourself with this character that you play?
A lot of ways. Urvashi is someone who is very, she speaks her mind. She knows what she wants in her life and she dreams big. And that is something that I absolutely relate with. I'm someone who dreams big and will definitely, do anything to achieve it. But her ways are, of course, different. I will not
your
con
ways,
people for
yeah.
sure. I'm not going to con people. But yes, her ways are like, get it by hook or crook.
But you would
So-
definitely hypnotize people with your performances.
Do
yeah?
I? I don't know. You have to tell me once you watch it.
Yeah, we're looking forward to it. So Ravi, your experience of the entire shoot, how many months went into it? What preparation?
So it's a unique show in a sense, it is, and it's a prosthetic heavy show. So the moment prosthetics get involved, so the production design really changes because you have to factor in the time that goes into getting into the prosthetic makeup, which sometimes takes up to 4.5 hours to get the look right. And after
4.5
that, there is a
hours.
12-hour shift. And after that, there's often a 1.5 hour downtime wherein you remove the makeup and you're off home. So, generally you have a max of 12-hour shifts, but here, because of prosthetics, that shift can go up to 17 or
To
18
18
hours.
almost.
So, and because it is a highly disguise-centric show and there's a lot of prosthetics. So, I mean, we were joking the other day internally that in a schedule when you could actually complete an entire film, we have done that entire schedule in prosthetic almost every day.
Oh Lord.
So,
Lot of hard work.
so it's unique in many senses, and therefore what I keep repeating to everybody is that everybody in the team has truly gone ahead and put their best foot forward, whether it is in the production design, whether it is creatively by the people who have made the show, written the show, or by the cast, the totality of the cast. Everybody, we've all tried our best to kind of, really push the envelope with this one, and therefore I'm really hoping and praying that Matsakyan can find a huge place in everybody's hearts and minds.
Yeah, we hope the same too. I read somewhere that you said that this is your real
OTT
debut on
debut.
the OTT.
It is.
Oh.
So I have done work on OTT
Yeah.
prior to this, but then that was a brand that had been been existing since 7 or 8 years, and it found its transition into the OTT space. Whereas this is a completely new story, and this is the first chapter of it. So you will really see the inception of the character, and then you'd be privy to the entire journey of the character and subsequent, as and when the story progresses as well.
So if I understand it correctly, it's the flavor of being a part of something from its origin
Yeah,
that makes you
it is.
say this.
That makes
right?
me say it.
Right.
That makes me say
Okay,
it.
and while you're talking of origin, there's a connect to Chandigarh that goes beyond work for you. Please tell me, how is it to be here?
I'm pretty much the son-in-law of this place.
Yeah.
Yeah. So this is this is the place that's given me the greatest gift of my life, which is my wife, and this is truly my second home. I'm not just saying it as a cliche, but because it is also a place where we producing content, so it becomes a workplace as well.
Yeah.
We are professionally connected. Both me and my wife are professionally connected to this place. Personally, of course, Sargun is born here, and this is my second home because my in-laws,
I hear.
Sargun's parents, my parents, they stay here. So I have a deep connect to this place, and I'm so happy that I've got this opportunity of, kind of discussing my show among family.
Yeah, among your people
My
from
people,
here.
yeah.
So while we're talking about work, which is connected to Punjab, which is connected to Chandigarh, you and Sargun have come up with a lot with production, and you have a lot of ideas. Can you share them with us here?
Our ideas?
Yeah.
We
In
prefer keeping
production.
that between us. So,
Something.
All right, so
with your people.
what I can do is maybe not so much ideas, but I'll share intention.
Yeah.
Intention is to really kind of tell stories that truly inspire us, and there's great love and blessing that this place, which is Punjab, has showered on us. I am requesting and hoping and praying that they shower the same blessings on everything that me and Sargun and all of us do. And the next thing that's coming out is Matsyakand. So I hope that, and fortunately the show is also dubbed in Punjabi.
Oh, wow.
So people in Punjab can actually watch it in Punjabi as well, and they can stream it for free from the 18th of November onwards. So that's something that they, if they can do that for us,
Okay.
and I'd love it if they watch it, and they'd love it too.
So recently you came up with the show under your production banner. Other movies coming too?
Yeah, there are.
There are. Nice.
You'll be
so
seeing
at
some
least you know
stuff.
something
Yeah,
now.
there's
Something
several-
more
Now you
than
know
others.
something more.
Yeah, something more than others know. So what is coming up for you work-wise?
Work-wise, right now, Miss India International is coming up. I've been recently crowned as Miss India International 2021, and that crown holds a lot of responsibility for me because I have to represent my country in the best way possible, and that's going to happen by the end of 2022 in October, November. I have to go to Japan for Miss International, and I'm just hoping, and I promise that I will give my best in hoping to get the crown, the first ever Miss International crown, back to India.
Very nice.
And yes, Matsyakand is coming up next. So right now the focus is this, and then moving back to my
Okay.
pageant preparation.
So as we sign off, is it possible for the two of you to just enact something from the show or a
Enact?
dialogue? Just say out a dialogue.
So maybe she can say one and I can say one.
Yes,
Maybe
let's do
that
that.
That will be good.
Okay, I'll say some one dialogue that you must have seen in the trailer. Meera ka magic haathon mein nahi, aankhon mein.
नहीं, ऐसा नहीं है, दांतों में भी है. She's got very nice teeth as well. You know, मीरा का magic हाथों में भी है, आँखों में भी है, दांतों में भी है.
और मत्स्य का?
So एक line again, since she verbalized one from the trailer beautifully, and so there's a line in the trailer when he says कातिल नहीं कलाकार हूँ मैं. So basically Matsya, he considers himself to not be a criminal but an artist. So he finds his way out of critical situations with the power of his mind, not necessarily muscle power.
And on this note, we say a goodbye. Thank you for watching.
Thank you.